So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and today is I'm going to show you how to use Calendly with Google Calendar. So this is set up, it's perfect for managing appointments without the hassle of double booking or switching between tools. So of course, the first thing you need to do here is to start by heading to calendly.com. So if you're new, you can sign up for free, which gives you access to basic scheduling features. And then log in if you already have an account, and then let's get you set. So the first thing you need to do here is, of course, to have your account, so as you can see here. And then now let's integrate the Google Calendar with Calendly. So in your Calendly dashboard, you can see here, you just need to go on this part and then look for integrations tab. So that one, you just need to tap on that one. This is where the Calendly collections will be able to see. And after that one, on the integration page, you'll see the Google Calendar listed. So if you'll be able to see that one, you just need to click on that. And then the Calendly will prompt you to sign in to your Google account. So just need to tap on that one. And then you will be directed to the next page. We're in here. This website will prompt you to sign into your Google account. So as you can see that, so there are different types of it. And then depending on you, if you have been decide what the calendar that you'll be choosing, you just need to tap on that connect. So here you just need to tap on that one. So it can automatically check your availability and update events. As you can see here, you just need to go and sign up on your account. So depending on you, which account you'll be using for this website. And then once the Google Calendar is connected, we'll define your availability. So as you can see here, now you'll be able to see here you can add calendar account. So after that one is the calendar lets you create customized event types like a 15-minute check-ins or hour-long meetings. So here you'll be able to see that one, the configuration, check for conflicts. So here you can set the calendar to check for it. So again, let's go back to the dashboard of the Calendly. So here you'll be able to see here this meeting. So with everything set up, you can start this one. So here, click on that one and then adjust the settings guys, including duration and any question for attendees. So this step will also be synced with your Google Calendar, making it easy to keep track. So as you can see that one, and that's it guys. By integrating Calendly with Google Calendar, scheduling becomes simpler and stress-free.